Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stamp Out Demonstrator in Australia. I want to show you quickly my card for my Tracy Sunday challenge this week. It is a sketch challenge with a circle in the middle and a sentiment on the center of the circle, I suppose. I'm using this really great stamp from the Share A Milkshake stamp set. It's a little cherry and I've just stamped it all the way around. I will say this card did not turn out anything like I was hoping, but you know, sometimes they don't turn out how you have them in your head. And then I've just stamped the sentiment with real red ink. So hopefully you'll come and join in this week's challenge. It's free to do. Just create your card, pop your card in the comment section on my Facebook business page and share your creativity. If you're in need of any of the supplies that I've used or any Stampin' Up supplies, you can purchase them in my online store, and I would love it if you did. I've got some great specials for my customers, so you'll get a free handmade project as well as a tutorial bundle just for shopping with me. Alright everyone, thanks so much. Have a nice day.